Halloween just a few days away. Seen some Halloween costumes already. Do you have a favorite in the past?
I went as Flint Lockwood from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, and my wife was Sam Sparks, the weather girl in that movie, because I love the weather. He's like kind of a meteorologist. He's a foodologist. You know
Imagine
what I mean?
that. You like the weather.
I know, right? It has to be always weather themed, so that is something I'm trying to work for. Still haven't planned on my costume. How about you?
I got to figure that out.
Something in the works?
I will say, though, I saw some chances of rain, so should I even wear a costume on Halloween?
Thankfully not meatballs. You know what? Rain jacket and umbrella close by. We're still fine printing these details. We'll explain that in just a bit in the latest trends. I want to first recap October. Look at the red boxes here. Those are warmer than average high temperatures. 91 today. We broke a record. 91 yesterday. We tied a record on the 25th. Just 2 days of cooler than average high temps. So for context, it's been very warm and only 1 day of rainfall measured at Camp Mabry in Austin. So we've been very dry and just so darn hot. Here's the domain shot by Indeed. We have our skyline. Clear skies out and about this hour. Tonight back down to 66 degrees with winds that are calm. Tomorrow upper 80s. Winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Find your city here east of I-35. A greater chance of getting up into the 90s. A little cooler toward the hill country. Gillespie County, Fredericksburg 87, 89 Georgetown, 88 in Cameron, 91 in Rockdale. Here's the temperature trend for one of the first times we're trending down. Our normal high is 79, so going out 7 days. We could be getting into the lower 80s by next Thursday, which is Halloween, and Friday, which is forecast to be 83. But the big trend is are still warmer than average high temperatures, but it's not going to be oppressively hot like where we're at right now. Big picture across the country, we've been dry, no big weather makers at all for the Lone Star State since the start of September. Less than a half an inch of rain at Camp Mabry. So again, not only has October been dry, but you go back almost 8 weeks to the start of September, and it's been nothing but dry in Austin. Now, here's this pattern change that I'm talking about. Rain chances returning in numerous days where I have more than 20% chance of showers across central Texas. And the big question I've been asked is, will this impact Halloween? Right now, the details for exact timing, will it be severe, coverage, totals? It's still unknown, but here's the big picture. High pressure moves to the east, low pressure to our north and west. That allows the door for multiple days of showers to fill back in. So look at the rain chances here, starting on Tuesday, isolated, and then back up to that widely scattered mark, 40% for Thursday into your Friday morning. Here's how the clouds and radar could look. We'll start off on Monday and notice a few showers start to work in, and then we'll have a weekend cold front move through sometime most likely on Thursday. You can see the outline there for that. Now the question is how far south does the front go? So there's still a lot of factors that we're trying to figure out, but regardless of the front, again, there's going to be the possibility for some showers, not only on Friday, into next weekend as well. So a good soaking is something that, when looking at the 7-day rainfall totals, isn't out of the question. Probably closer to Dallas, but still, when you're looking at the first warning weather 7-day forecast, notice we'll have multiple rain possible and into early November, back down to the low 80s.